All right, here is a video explanation of page 23 and 24 in the book 251s in a minor key. So what is going to happen is we are going to use the same type of voicings that we used for 251 in a major key, except of course we have to change the quality of the chords because now we're using a minor scale as our base. So the 2 chord in a minor key is going to be a minor 7 flat 5. So we're going to start with the very first example on page 24, and at the bottom of the page there it says D minor 7 with a flat 5. So D half diminished. So that is the quality of our 2 chords. So remember, this is D minor 7, all white. So minor 7 with a flat 5 would be right there. So here's our 2 chord. To make the transition to the 5, we can do the same thing that we did when we were in the major key. So we just pinch to the root and the 3rd on the left hand. So now that is a dominant chord with a flat 9. So that's a G7 flat 9. And then when we resolve to the 1, we're going to resolve to a minor major. So you're going to leave your thumb here, and that's going to be the major 7. Okay, so C, major 7, but on the right hand, we want to make it a minor 3rd. So to do that again. All right, moving along that same line, the next one you're going to do is C minor 7 with a flat 5. So what happens? The top notes of both hands go down a half step. So now here we are at C minor 7 with a flat 5, also known as C half diminished. And we're going to pinch to F and A because it's the root and the 3rd. And when we resolve to the 1 chord, which is minor major, remember this note stays the same. We're playing a minor 3rd on the right hand. All right, there are the first 2. Now we're going to skip down to the next to the last line. So we're going B minor 7 with a flat 5, which is the only half diminished chord that's all white. It's a good way to remember that. So B half diminished. So of course now we're in the key of A minor. We pinch to an E and a G sharp. Then when we resolve, you're keeping that major 7 on the left hand, so that's A major 7, but with a minor 3rd. All right, moving on, we're going to make this chord a minor 7 with a flat 5, so the top 2 notes come down, so now that's A minor 7 with a flat 5. And we pinch to our 5 chord, that's D7 flat 9. And when we resolve, don't forget this note stays the same, so there's your major 7, and your minor 3rd is up here, so that's a minor major. And then you are also going to do the last line. So now we have G minor 7 with a flat 5, right there. We pinch to the C and the E, and resolve to F minor major. Make that F half diminished, and we finish with, and that is as far as we are going, and that's all you have to turn in for an assignment.